Like what I tell y'all, we gotta look good for the summer, okay? We gotta let these people know that we are not playing with them.
You played that boy.
Alright, so hey y'all, what's up? It is me, Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. And as today in this video, as you can tell by the title, this is all about feminine hygiene 101. This video is going to be all about feminine hygiene, tips and products that I recommend to you all. So yeah, I'm gonna make this intro short, so like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social medias in the description box below. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so I'm just only recommending products to y'all and just giving y'all some tips also. So like, the first thing, the first product I want to recommend to you all, this product is called Tinned Skin, and my deodorant all over the bottle, but this product is Tinned Skin. This is just a solution for ingrown hairs, razor bumps, and itchiness and redness and all of that. This product is for when you're shaving, and this is supposed to prevent and help current ingrown hairs and razor bumps and redness and itchiness. And you can use it in your bikini area or wherever you shave if you just have any of those problems that I just mentioned before. But yeah, you can get this from Ulta, Walmart, and I think Target, and it was about $15. I know it's on Amazon too. I think it's about $15, but let me tell y'all, it's worth it because it can really help you, okay? But you're supposed to apply it right after you're done shaving, and you have to be consistent with it. All right, next thing I want to mention, this product is called Bio Oil. If you see my skincare routine, you know that I use this. I use this for my dark marks. I have dark marks. I had dark marks on my face, and as you see, I'm gonna have one now because I had a pimple right there. But yeah, you put this over your dark marks, and you have to be consistent with it. You have to apply it on your face about 2 times a day. But not only does it work with dark marks, but it also works with stretch marks. So if you have stretch marks, you can also apply this over your stretch marks, and they will actually help them disappear. So this is kind of expensive too. This is the smallest bottle they have, and this is about $12. And you can get it from Walmart, Target, or Ulta, and I think the biggest one is $24. But let me tell y'all, it is worth it, and it actually lasts you a long time. But you have to apply it every day, at least 2 times a day. You have to be consistent with it in order to actually see results. So as a female, when you're shaving and stuff, especially just if you're shaving anywhere, exfoliation is a big part to that. And if you don't exfoliate, I say you should put this into your routine starting now. You need to. Exfoliating is very, 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 very important. Exfoliating can help with ingrowns, razor bumps, itchiness, redness. It also helps brighten your skin. Exfoliating gets rid of dead skin cells basically, and it just helps brighten your skin, to help with stretch marks, all of that. I'm telling y'all. So I use 2 exfoliators. Both is by Shea Moisture, but this one is my favorite. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Hand and Body Scrub, and this one is my favorite because it smells good and it actually does the job. And it's kind of like a moisturizing body scrub, so because it has coconut oil and vitamin E in it at the same time. And so I can really tell it moisturizes my body, because when I'm in the shower and I'm actually going over my body with the exfoliator, you can just feel and tell that it exfoliates. So I exfoliate about 2 to 3 times a week, and I also exfoliate before and after I shave. I used to just exfoliate before I shave, but I started exfoliating before and after I shave, and it really, really makes a big difference in your skin. And also, if you have strawberry legs, I think it's it's just, I'll probably insert a picture, but it's probably just little bitty just dark marks all over your legs. It's from And it's from like not shaving properly, or you just not like exfoliating. But I'm gonna tell y'all, exfoliating before and after you shave really makes a big difference in your skin. So the other exfoliator I use, this is the Shea Moisture 100% coconut oil ground coffee scrub. This is also one of my other favorites because like even though it's messy, because like it's like a straight up just, it's like really straight up just dry coffee grounds and that's it. Like it's not the type of like exfoliator that's kind of like a wet exfoliator. Yeah, this is kind of like a dry scrub, because like, so when you get ready to take a shower or a bath and you exfoliate, it's going to create a mess, so you have to clean your mess up after you get done using this. But it's really worth it because this also helps with stretch marks and cellulite. So this is basically what this is used for, so I also highly recommend this also. And another part of my exfoliators, most people probably don't do this, but I mean, it's part of your body, like it needs to be taken care of also. But this is the Freeman's Barefoot foot scrub. I use this two to three times a week also, and I also use this when I do my pedicures at home. Exfoliating your feet is part of your skin. It's like it's part of your body. You have to exfoliate that too. You know, if you want to keep your feet soft, I mean if you want it, like nobody wants to have dry, rough feet. Like you don't want to have that. So it's very important to exfoliate your feet. But I got this from Walmart, and this is my favorite one right here. This is the peppermint and plum, and it smells so good. But yeah, y'all, please just like start exfoliating your feet if you don't do it already, because you know it's about that time to wear sandals and you don't want your feet out there looking crusty and stuff. Like we don't want that, you know, okay. The next product I want to mention, this video is not sponsored, but this is the Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus on the go conditioning hair fragrance. This is, I was using this when I had my braids in, but you can use this to like, if you want to just spray a little extra in your hair. Like it's also moisturizing, like it's kind of like it makes your hair shine, but it also gives you a little fragrance to your hair. So you just spray it all over your hair, and you know, if you just want your extra fragrance on your hair, this is what I use. I got this from Target at the clearance section, but I'm pretty sure it's at Walmart, Target. I don't think it's at Ulta, but I know it's at Walmart and Target. Oh, I forgot to mention another thing with the exfoliating, but with exfoliating, I also use exfoliation gloves. People have different methods of exfoliating. Sometimes they'll just use a scrub, or they use the gloves with the scrub. They use a sponge, a brush. But when I exfoliate, I use exfoliation gloves, and you can wash these. I kind of wash mine like every week or two. So like, you know, because you having bacteria building up and stuff. So these are the Body Refresh gloves by Kala. I got these from Shop Miss A, but they have them everywhere. Walmart, Target, Ulta, your local drugstore. I'm pretty sure they have exfoliation gloves everywhere. You can get them off Amazon. But I use these when I exfoliate just to give me an extra, like, making sure it gives me, like, you know, doing the extra job, basically. So, I mean, you don't have to have these, but I just use exfoliation gloves just because. So, shaving and razors and all of that. With shaving, I use a lot of products, just do a lot of things. Yeah, like I said, before I shave, like anywhere on my body, I always exfoliate before and after, okay? Because exfoliation, like I said, plays an important part into shaving, okay? Before you do anything, you always exfoliate, okay? I'm making sure I'm stressing that because, like I said, it will really make a big difference in your life if you exfoliate. Okay, so let's talk about razors. Okay, razors, there's always a certain type of razor that I use. Like, really, with razors, I would say that razors with 3 or more blades will do the job. I usually use men razors because men razors are made for the face, so like it's sensitive to use. But lately I haven't been finding the right men's razor I want to use. So I have some razors here that I use. These are actually female razors. I used to get men razors, but the ones that I actually use, they weren't in the store, so I had to improvise. So these are the razors I use. I usually use Gillette Venus. It's like probably that's the only brand I'll use. But these are the Gillette Venus 3 blades disposable razor blades. And yes, as you can see, it has 3 blades. Like, do not use razors with like less than 3 blades, because you want to have 3 blades because it's the best. Yeah, and then this is the same thing. It's the Target brand, but it's just basically the same thing as this. And I use the razors that kind of have like the movable head, so like when you're shaving, it kind of like moves. You know what I'm saying? Like it moves with you. Like you don't have one of those steel razors that doesn't, like the head doesn't move. Okay, let me show y'all real quick. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the head moves. Like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like those are the type of razors that, like, you know, it moves with you. Also make sure you dispose your razors at the right time. I think it's like after like 3 to 4 uses, you're supposed to switch out your razors. So make sure you're doing it at the right time. And also after you shave, I've heard that actually taking like witch hazel or alcohol and wiping the head after every time you shave could also keep out like bacteria and stuff after each use. So you should also do that. Also with shaving, I use 2 things when I shave. This is the EOS shave cream. This is vanilla shave cream. I used to use the Gillette Venus vanilla shave cream. Honestly, that one is way better than this one, but this is just a dupe to that one. But I had got that Gillette Venus vanilla shave cream from Target, but they stopped carrying it, and then the only place I found it was on Amazon, but you can only get in the bulk, and it was like $30-some. I was like, I don't think I'm gonna do that. But and then I found it from Walgreens, so I was gonna order it from there. But that was this EOS vanilla shave cream was just a dupe to that one. I also use that, but then I also use this Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel, and preferably most people use this when shaving in the downstairs area. And yeah, like I said, aloe vera gel is very good with preventing and treating razor bumps, ingrown hairs, and itchiness and redness. If you use the actual aloe vera plant, then that's better, but this also works good too. Like if you use this is really good with shaving in the downstairs area. But yes, like I really recommend this product. I got this from Walmart. I don't remember the price, but I did get this from Walmart. And there's another product I want to recommend. This is for like if you have body acne and stuff. But this is the Neutrogena Body Clear body acne soap, and it treats and helps prevents body breakouts for clean and clear skin. So like some people have sometimes they have bumps on their chest or their shoulders or their back, and this is really good at treating and preventing those things. So I would really recommend this. I got this from Walmart too. I know you can probably get it from Target, but I did get this from Walmart. And I just have 2 more things that I would like to recommend to you guys, and this is about moisturizing and stuff. This is a Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body gel. I use this this is like one of my most favorite products. Like I especially use this in the summertime, because if you want your skin to have that extra glow, like literally I really recommend this product, because it's like it just gives you like you are glowing when you put this on. Like literally, it's literally like a body gel, and it literally smells like cocoa butter. Like y'all just I don't even know what to say. Like y'all really have to try this for yourself. And the last thing about moisturizing stuff, this is African shea butter. African shea butter can do so many things. If you have eczema, dry skin, dark marks, stretch marks, just dry skin in general, this is the holy grail. to dry skin. This is very important right here. Yes, I know it can be used as a sunscreen also, but this is just awesome. I especially use this like this is my moisturizer for my face, like it's just everything. I use this too when I'm doing my pedicures to make sure that my feet stay moisturized. I literally put this on my feet, and my feet are like soft and moisturized, like they're not dry. Like y'all, I really recommend this if you just have dry skin and you want your skin to glow. I recommend using 100% raw natural shea butter because it doesn't expire, and it's just really healthy for your skin. So yeah, that was all the products I had that I wanted to recommend to you guys. I hope that you guys think about trying any of these products, but let me know if you guys have any questions about the products that I mentioned to you all, and let me know if you guys want a part 2. Like, give this video a thumbs up if you guys want a part 2 of feminine hygiene. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my social medias. And thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I ain't your man, that's true enough.